When it comes to smart speakers, there are of course two main competitors. You've got Google with the Google Assistant and Google Home, and then you've got Amazon with the Amazon Echo and Alexa. Now the capability of these devices can be tested even on a smartphone because you can ask the smartphone to turn on or off the lights either with Alexa or with Assistant. The thing about the smart speakers, you need to know actually how they sound. And I've never really found a satisfactory test to test these different smart speakers from Amazon and from Google. So I thought I'd do one myself. So if you want to find out more, please, without dropping these speakers, let me explain. Okay, so the idea is pretty simple. All I've done is I've recorded a song playing on one device, then I've recorded it playing on the next device, and so on, and then we can listen to them side by side, and we can see which plays the best. So first of all, let's start with the Google Home Mini and compare it to the Alexa Echo Dot and see what we find. Now the thing about audio is it's always quite subjective. One person likes things a certain way, another person likes things to sound another way. But for me, clearly the Echo Dot came out top in that test. Okay, next of all, let's test the bigger ones, the Echo with the Google Home.
Gonna say it loud. Don't get it twisted what we're talking about.
Now I must say I found that a bit more difficult. At the moment I'm gonna say maybe the Google Home has got the better sound, but let's do a second song to see whether we can pick up any differences. Well, actually, after that second run, I think I will say that the Alexa Echo here is the better of the two speakers. Okay, and now just for fun, let's compare the Google Mini, so that really was the weakest one in our group, with the strongest one, the Amazon Echo, and let's hear the difference between them. Okay, so there you have it. Now, of course, these are all different speakers, different sizes, different price points, you know, and I understand all that. But when choosing one of those, which one would you pick? I think overall, I would recommend the Amazon Echo as the best speaker in terms of the sound. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do tell me in the comments below, because if there's enough interest, maybe I'll buy a few other speakers from some third-party companies, and maybe we can do a similar kind of test. If nobody watches this and it only gets a few views, then well, I won't do that. Simple as that, really. Okay, my name's Gary Sims. This is Gary Explains. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget the new Speed Test G channel. And well, that's it. I'll see you in the next one.